Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, we will fix the issue where our Bluetooth option is missing on our Windows. So let's go step by step for that. The first thing we can do is check our settings. So head over to settings. You can hit Windows plus I directly on your keyboard shortcut, and this will open up your settings on your keyboard on your device. From settings, what you can do is you can head over to Bluetooth and devices option right here and open it up. And from Bluetooth and devices, go to Bluetooth and see if this option is turned off or not. So if you do not see a toggle option, you can follow up another method. But if this option is right here, the Bluetooth, you just need to turn on this option by clicking on this toggle option right here like this, and it should enable the Bluetooth on your device. If not this, the next step we can follow up in order to enable it is we can hit Windows plus X, and from here go to Device Manager. Open up Device Manager from the given menu and access the Device Manager on your screen. The next thing you need to do is go ahead and expand the option called Bluetooth. Find it up, expand it up like this, and there you'll be finding your Bluetooth device driver right here. So right click on it, and here if it is disabled, you'll be finding an option for enable. Right now mine is enabled, so we can find an option of disable. So you can just go ahead and click on enable option right here, and that should enable it. If you do not see a Bluetooth here, you can go to network adapters right here and just go ahead and check it out within network adapters or any other devices from the section right here. Apart from that, what we can do is we can update and reinstall the driver. For that, hit Windows plus X again, go to Device Manager and open it up again. Go to Bluetooth, find your Bluetooth driver and right click on it. And once you find it all, you can select the option for update driver. And you can search automatically for drivers, or you can go ahead and browse your computers for drivers manually. And that is also possible. You can just go ahead and try it out and see if that works. If that fails, you can uninstall it. Go ahead and uninstall it. After you install it, you can close this up, go ahead and restart your device for the changes, and Windows will reinstall it automatically again. Apart from that, what we can do is hit Windows plus R and open up the run box on your screen. And here, just go ahead and type in services.msc. Just go ahead and type in that and hit OK. Once you hit OK, you need to go ahead and look out for Bluetooth support service. So click on any of this, or you can directly scroll and go ahead and find Bluetooth service here. This one right here, Bluetooth support service. After that, right click on it and go to restart option right here. And also make sure to go to properties and make sure the startup type is selected automatic, and then click on start and click on apply and click on OK once that is done. And that's it. One of these fixes should bring back your Bluetooth option on your screen. So if this video worked for you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.